boys. So just to make sure you understand where to access your work from, all the work for your online learning will be on the Seqta Course page. So as you can see, this is your Seqta Course page and what you will be seeing. Depending on your teacher, if they have a OneNote link, you'll be able to access their OneNote from there. And also for other students, if you'd like to access another teacher's OneNote, you're more than welcome to. There is, however, a very general one called the Year 9 Level 1 Notebook, and I'll talk more about that in a minute. Underneath all of that is where I'll be placing the links to the vodcast, the date of the lesson, and the resources that you will need. So those might be the set questions, or maybe their worksheets might be attached to that. Anything along those lines will be in this table for you. If for some reason you need to download the vodcast file, which is the MP4 file, you can click here under the table. This click here button that you can see is where you can actually click that, and it will take you to a folder where you can download the file. I would prefer that you don't do that because it will take quite a while to do that. You only need to do that if for some reason you have limited connectivity at home. Otherwise, you should be streaming by clicking on the link in the table for the vodcast. So the other area or space that you can work in is your OneNote. So when you click on the link here, it will take you straight to the 2020 Year 9 notebook, which you have in front of you. And then you've got under the content library, you've got admin, notebooks, vodcasts, revision worksheets and homework sheets. I will be putting the information in here as well, so you're more than welcome to work in both spaces there. The notebooks are similar to the ones that I actually use in my video. So you've got the PDF version there if you would like to use it. It just might take a little while to load up. The benefit of looking at the vodcasts in this OneNote is that it's embedded into the OneNote, so you can watch it here, or there's the link there as well. So that's how I will be working with the OneNote as well as the Seqta Course page. Hopefully that makes a lot of sense. If you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Make sure you are using your classroom Teams for Maths where you ask your questions. Okay, thank you very much.